Hello, you lovely lot. How's everything Big Book Award this week? I wonder if you've been doing lots of reading, lots of chatting and talking about the books. Maybe you've been painting or drawing. Maybe you've been writing. Maybe you've been acting or directing. Here are some children from Hinstock Primary School. Hello, Hinstock. How are you all? They had the lovely Ant visit from Pentabus this week, and they've been doing some workshops with Ant, developing their drama skills, some ideas so that they can enter the creative response competition. I'm not sure if they're planning to do a film trailer. We've had some of those in already. Thank you very much, children from Lilleshall, for sending yours in. And they might be planning what they're going to do for their radio script, or maybe they're trying to condense the story into 3 minutes. It looks like they're having lots of fun. Either way, very, very busy workshop, up and about the whole time, everybody involved. So well done, Hinstock. Looks like great fun. I can't wait to see your entries and see what you come up with. I bet there's some good people with tech skills there to do all the editing and the sound effects. The other thing we've had this week are some more displays, and have you noticed as the weeks have gone on, these displays are getting busier and busier and fuller with all of your comments about the books. It's the same with our forum on the website. You've sent loads of comments in and it's brilliant to read. I think each week it develops what books are the favourites and what you're talking about, so they are lovely to read. Here is a display board from the high school, Shrewsbury High School. Thank you very much, guys. You've been really busy. Look at those big comments, and I see you've even given some scores, 4 out of 5, 2s out of 5. So I wonder what your vote's going to be like at the end. We've also had some displays from St Winifred's School, and you can see they've got a library, and these displays are in their library, so it's a real hub for everybody to go. There's some information about the authors and the letters. They've got a letter from Jamie Russell and their Tim Tilley letter, and they've got this brilliant display that the children have been working on here with loads of information and comments there. So thank you very much, St Winifred's. I know you've been really busy too. The other thing that we've been getting in are some letter entries. So remember, guys, if you are still thinking about doing your letters, you could do it for homework. Teachers, it's a brilliant activity because it's great for Key Stage 2 SATs to do formal letter writing. In your teacher pack, there is a link to this BBC Bite-Size page all about how to write a formal letter. The link looks like this. Go and have a look. And there's a brilliant film which gives you some hints and tips.
I am writing to inquire about the recent opening for the position of International Person of Mystery in the MI6 organisation. Clear purpose stated in the first paragraph. It's grammatically correct and appropriately formal language as well.
If I wanted your opinion, Fleming, I would have asked for it.
Sorry, Mum.
It's a brilliant video and it gives you some really good tips. Now remember, our letters are where you can write to a character from one of the stories, giving them some advice. So maybe it's Twitch when he's not sure about Bill, or it could be in the small things where you might advise the characters on their friendships and how to go about mending things. So have a think and have a go at writing your letters. You've still got plenty of time to get those done. Now, if I have seen you in school, one thing I always say about Big Book Award is how important it is to our authors. And I know lots of you have been in touch with the authors and you've heard what they think. But here is Jamie Russell in Waterstones in Shrewsbury, proud as punch. Look at his big smile. Here he is inside the shop holding his book that's on the table, and here he is at the shop window. Look at that. He's really pleased that he is on the shortlist for the Big Book Award 2022. It means a lot to the authors, so read as much as you can so you've got as many points to vote and get your votes in, particularly if you've got a really strong favourite, because you can give it loads of points then. The authors, and I know lots of you have been looking on Twitter, also tweet about the project. So we've got Tim Tilley talking about how chuffed he is, and we've got MG Leonard. She has retweeted, there's not long to go. So she is biting her nails whether she's going to win or not. And then we've also got Nizrana Farouk, who is said here, she's noticed the amazing reviews by the children. So she has been reading your comments on the forum. It means such a lot. And like I always say, the power is in your hands. You get to choose the winner. So keep reading and keep getting ready to put your points in for the vote. They really want to know if they've won or not. The other thing I'm just going to say to you all now is the Picture Book Award is about to go out into schools, ready to longlist to find out who the shortlisted books are going to be for that. So if your school isn't a picture book award school and wants to get involved, let us know ASAP, because there's still time to be a picture book award school. And we love our year 5, 6s, guys, if you're there to help the little ones with their reading, and you can be Bookfest buddies and go down to the Key Stage 1 classrooms and help them read their books. So have a chat if you want to get involved with Picture Book Award. Some of you are already doing that, and you might see us in school very soon. We'll be out very soon to see you. Here's some children reading their picture books. It's great fun, and it will all be happening. And remember, guys, you can help. So when you finish your Big Book Award, we need you to pass on your brilliant reading skills. Keep the news coming in. I'm going out to a few schools next week, and I know lots of other coordinators are, so keep in touch, and we'll see you again next week. And don't forget, we're getting very close to the end. Can't wait to see you all. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.